Hi, and welcome to this demo for Meelo App Empire. Basically, I'm showing you exactly what you're getting once you get inside the training. You're going to go through all these modules that I have for you. Okay, they're not a lot, but they're perfect because every single video and information I have inside, and plus software tools that you can use for free to help you build your first app instantly. You can build an app in 12 minutes tops. That's basic app that you can actually put on the App Store. My system pushes it from the idea to the app creation into the App Store. I show you every single step of the way. One of the products that I've actually created is on the App Store and is actually selling is part of your training. You're going to see it from beginning to end. So the idea here is that you're going to be coming into this course with zero knowledge on coding or any kind of knowledge or technical knowledge. You're going to go through my training, and by the end of this, you're going to be able to create your first app and put it on the App Store or even Google Play. I'm going to put one objection here for people that are wondering about the membership for the Apple Store. Every almost country is available. You can check this sales page to see everything. However, you can also get in for free. You don't have to pay for that month, the yearly membership, until you have your apps approved. And if you're ready to put them on the App Store, that's your decision. But my system works. So once you get your app approved and you've enrolled in the membership for Apple and you are ready to submit to the App Store because they've been approved and they're ready, then you can pay for the membership site. So it's a win-win because once they're approved, then you can see it works and you can push it over. So you're going to get all this beautiful training with all these beautiful bonuses that you're seeing on this page. These bonuses are actually created from me to help you with your journey, from prompts, templates, to screenshot app store creation tools, to everything that you need to list your first app right after you're done with your training. I'll talk to you inside Meelo App Empire. My name is Demetrius, and I'm going to be your coach and mentor in this amazing course teaching you how to build apps from an idea into one of the premium platforms online called the Apple Store. Talk to you soon.